Have you ever thought about weighing your pets? Well, the first thing to do is to put some paper on the scales just in case it decides to, well, you know what, and set the scales to 0. And then bring out your trusty pet. Now, here's mine. This is Michelle. We call her Shell for short, of course. The old jokes are the best, aren't they? And let's see how much she weighs. 6 grams. Not a lot. Now, I'm going to compare that with my own weight. So, obviously, to weigh myself, I need something a little bit bigger. I need these. Now, at the back, there's a button which changes them from stones and pounds to kilos. Make sure yours are always set on kilos, please. I'll show you why at the end of this little experiment. So, I'm just going to weigh myself on here now. It's going to be a bit of a shock, I'm afraid, but here we go. Set them to 0. Oh, crikey. 94 kilos. Now, what I want to do is to find out how many times more I weigh than Michelle. Now, 94 kilos, well, there's 1,000 grams in a kilo, of course, so that's 94,000 grams. So let me put that in front of the camera. There's the old calculator. 94,000 divided by the 6 grams that Michelle weighs. Well, we're going to ignore the decimals. That's 15,666 times heavier than Michelle. Well, that's a huge difference, isn't it? I weigh 15,500 times more than my little pet. Now, you could try that with yours if you have a rabbit, or perhaps you just have a few snails. Now, there are lots of people that go around, you know, and saying, oh, we must keep stones and pounds and ounces. Okay, let's do that again in stones and pounds. Now, I'm not going to change my scales. I'm just going to tell you that Michelle weighs 6 grams. That's about 1/4 of an ounce. There are 16 ounces in a pound. There are 14 pounds in a stone. And my 94 kilos is about 14 stone, 11 pounds. Now let's see if you can work out how many more times I weigh than Michelle. Good luck.